Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 40. How to create Pinterest account. In this video, we will see how you can create a Pinterest account, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on Pinterest.com, and here we will click on this sign up button on right. It says welcome to Pinterest, and you need to enter your email, password, and age and click on continue. Or you can continue with your Gmail ID, click on this continue with Google button. Here select your Gmail account, and confirm your ID by clicking on this confirm button. Now, click on sign up from this right pop-up. Here it says welcome to Pinterest. Your answers to the next few questions will help us find the right ideas for you. Now they will ask us a few questions to decide our preferences. Click on this next button and answer the questions follow accordingly. Gender, then click on next. After that, you need to pick categories you want to explore and then click on the done button. Now it is setting our account. Once done, you can see the suggested pins which you can save from this top save button. So there are all the suggested pins based on our preferences. Now go to the top arrow and select settings from it. Then click on account setting, and from here you can edit all your details, country, language, gender, etc. Next is claim. Here enter your website link, Instagram ID, Etsy, and YouTube account. Now go back to the home tab from here. Now we have all these options in this arrow button, and next is the profile icon. Click on it. So here from this plus button, you can add pins and boards in your account. Select board, then enter the name for your board, and click create. Next is save some pins to your boards. Click save buttons on the pins you want to save on your board, then click done button. So now our board has been created and pins have been successfully added to it. Now click on this more ideas, and you can save more pins from here. Let's go back to home page. So this is how you can create an account on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 41. How to use Pinterest to promote affiliate offers. In that video, we will see how you can use Pinterest to promote your affiliate offers, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.